available with your favorite publication every payday Friday. What's up, Friday?
Good, baby girl.
Yo, what's up, dog? I'm good.
What's the deal?
Got you a bus full of people from Kwashaka, Zulu Natal. We're gonna take a step. We're gonna look, pick your pick. We do business after that. You cool?
Gully woman Scully.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. No.
Yeah. Who's got the car? Boys, come here. This man right here, that's my dog Cedo. I was once like all of y'all, trapped in the jungles of KwaZulu-Natal. But this brother saved me. Made me the proudly American woman I am today. So if y'all want to change your lives, follow this nigga. Because at the end of the day, you'll all be doing best. Dog, I'm out.
Thank you, baby girl.
Train the recruits.
I'll catch you in the celly.
Holla.
Word. How you doing, fellas? How you doing, niggas? Are y'all cool? Today, it's a very special day for all of y'all. You got that? All of y'all. I'ma change y'all lives. I'ma get all y'all homeboys swaggered up like no other. You got that? You got that? I'm about to change all these African balls into American nuts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm free.
I'ma teach y'all to walk like me, talk like me, eat and shit like me. You got that? I'ma teach y'all to be fucking American. Black American. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna change all of these Zulu tactics into American tactics. It all comes from your balls and your heart. You got that? You better got that. No more herding cows. No more picking up dog shit and cow shit. It's time to walk like a swaggered up nigga. With a whole lot of bling on. Got that? With a whole lot of style, my man.
What's it on,
I
Lara?
choose a special day. Oh,
Pega mesmo, vou salvar. Hayi bo.
I'm about to tell y'all, motherfucker.
Yilommelekayo. Ukusha abafana baselokishini. Ngisho nengane kabhuti esasazi lesizulu silahla amasiko. Ubafundisa lesingisi sakhe esikhulu. Iyo le ndoda esiyifunayo. Yiyo. Le ndoda yinkosi. Akungcono sambeni. Sizosamela icebo.
African motherfuckers into American, I choose a special day. All of y'all.
Wehlatshwa. Lolu dabana lomphathi osemelika solenze njani?
Hey ndoda madoda. Ngixaka kakhulu ngalomelekane. Usemoshe zonke izingane la. Zonke izingane nje seyidebhisa amabhlukwe, zikhuluma isilungu esikhulu. Lafizwe. Mina sengijabule kakhulu ngokuthola nina. Ukuthi mhlambe nizongisiza. Ninginike iqhinga ukuthi sinenze njani ngalomelekane.
Hayi ke, lapho khululeka. Ukhona umoto ngimthembe kakhulu. Ngimthembe kakhulu. Wakhe umsebenzi wona.
Kodwa ngoba kuthe uyagwaza nje.
Ngoba le ndoda iyashaya. Kuno abantu engibaziyo abanganginikeza umuthi
Hayibo.
siyithelele esiphuzweni sayo umilele siyifase ngamaketanga
Athi iqhinga lehleke impela kahle.
ngoba angeke silunge la muntu sathumela amasoja wethu insizwa zasekhaya
Zahluleka.
zahluleka sathumela uShivas bahluleka
Hayibo.
yilo indaba sithe ngcono size thina nobaba sizobona ukuthi lo muntu abathi usabeka kangaka ngathi uSamson wenzani
hayi ke kanti ke nendawo hlatshwayo nginendawo mina ngomfaka lapho yabona lapho uyophuma lapha azumthetho
Indawo enjani leyo?
somqeda umelika
khululeka wena khululeka akudlalwa lapha semgodini lapha akudlalwa
ngoba phela baba nohulumeni uhlulekile ukulungisa lo mthetho la ekhaya ngoba uthi ulayita uTV isilungu ubathe uthi ulayita uradio isilungu
Yebo.
yonke indawo sokuyisilungu sokhona no dish isilungu ngapha nangapha ingane amabhloku ahlele inqeni mina nobaba sele lo kuzolungisa lo ndaba ukuthi masingasusa lo mbelika ngoba uye imbewu embi
Yebo.
yeah masingasusa lo mbelika siqedile sikwazi ukufundisa ingane zethu ukuhlonipha namasiko nezithethe ukuze nendoda nawe izonde kanje yakwenzani
Hayi. Mina kuze ngazi ngalomelekana. Kunengane yomfowethu lapha. Usibusiso makhathini. Wakhohlisa umfowethu le emakhaya. Wathi uyaphesheya eMelika uyofunda khona ngoba ethu uthola umfundazi.
Phesheya sona ungifakile pa. Hawu. Kumani, akini ujabulani lohlanipe kakhulu. Ujabulani pa. Hawu, mfana wami. Wena uyaMelika uyofunda khona. Hayi. Angijabulanga mfana wami udingiye. Hayi, azojala unyoko wasa. Hayi. Mfana wami, hayi.
Kanti ushamanga hopho. Uhlezi khona la eGoli. Usekuhliswe uye lo mmelekana.
Basically, what I do is I teach people how to be American. Would you be interested? What do you think about that proposal? So I teach, I educate, I educate. You know what I'm saying? So if you need my help, man, I can teach you. You see this motherfucker right here? I taught him how to get down in Grizzly, my nigga. You feel me?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah, I taught him how to get down to Grizzly speaking, you know what I mean? They're from Tanzania, but I taught him how to be American, so everybody think they're American like now, you know what I mean? So you can join the situation, you start hustling with us, you know what I mean? Join the crew, see those crew, you know what I'm saying? That's how I represent this. So where you from, my nigga?
KwaZulu Natal.
Damn, man, I've been waiting for a nigga like you, man. Shit, man. I'ma teach her to be OG, man. Stop talking all that Zulu nonsense and shit. You know what I mean? All that Shaka Zulu crap and shit. It's time for us to get low G, man. Up to the fucking times, you feel me? It's the new generation right here, man. 21st century, my nigga, you feel me? Are you down with this, man? I know you down with this, man. I don't worry, man. I ain't gonna hurt you, man. You know we good, man.
Hey, it's Fiso, man. Welcome to my spot, man. This is where I reside, you know. This is where I chill, this is where I eat, this is where I shit and sleep, you know what I'm saying? So, man, you sit your ass down so we can talk about your problem a little bit, man. Hey, put your back down, don't worry, man. You good with me for 2 weeks, my nigga. Anyway, man, so you say you want to be all Americanized and all that. Sick and tired of Africa, huh? Some bullshit, huh? But anyway, man, you gotta start with your gear, man. Your gear looking bummy as a motherfucker, man. Shit.
I want to be America, Baba. Alright, I want to be America. I'm afraid.
Look at all that farmer's hat. That fucking raggedy old shit. Man, get your ass up. Let me see your ass. Get your ass up. Get your ass up. Get your ass up, man. Let me see this. Man, he can't work with his jacket, man. Take his jacket off. Take his jacket off. Take his jacket off, man. Who fucking think you are working for the Wall Street Journal or some shit, bitch? Come on, nigga. Try to be a nigga, right? Try to be trife, nigga. Take this old farmer's hat off, man. Looking all fucking all fucked up and all this shit, man. My mama can't even wear this shit, man. Man, take, look at your ass. Look at your pants, bitch. It's so high up and shit, man. How's your belly button gonna fucking breathe, bitch? Man, put your pants down, man. Loosen them up, man. You're doing all wrong, bitch. How you supposed to be a nigga like this, man? Shit, man. You fucking it all up, man. How am I gonna work with your ass, man? Fuck, man. You're Africans, man. Y'all fucking drive me nuts sometime, man. But anyway, let's do this trap. Let's do this trap. Yeah, man. You looking like a G right now. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? This is what I got right here. You know. My nigga, today's lesson is gonna consist of getting in love with your inner gangster. You feel me? So this is hip-hop track, and then, you know, this track by Rick Ross that I'm trying to teach you, you know what I mean? So you can get to know what the flow, with the flow, you know, and the walk and the whole that, you know what I mean? You know Rick Ross, every day I'm hustling? Let's go like this. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Vaseline. Every day Vaseline.
Nah, not Vaseline, my nigga. What the fuck you talking about, Vaseline? Hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, no Vaseline.
Every day hustling.
Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, yeah. Feel it up here. You can grab your nuts, my man. Because hip hop comes from your nuts, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Yeah, get your feel the shit. Get in love with your inner gangster, my man. Get in love with your inner gangster. Take that Zulu gangster out of there, you know what I mean? Every day I'm hustling. Hustle real hard. Hustle real hard. Hustle real hard.
Hustle real hard.
Yeah.
Hustle real hard.
My nigga, you gotta express yourself. You gotta be free. When my mama told me I gotta stop with that bullshit, I told her stop with what bullshit. This is my culture. This is my heritage. This is where my roots come from, you know what I mean? I'm a black fucking American, nigga. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta express yourself. You gotta be free, man. You gotta feel your inner gangster, my nigga. You see, you feel me? Cause if you go down that hill, bro, no bitch is gonna wanna be with your raggedy ass, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be all thugged up in this motherfucker, you know what I mean? Let's feel the vibe, yeah. Feel the vibe, let's practice the walk, you know what I mean? Practice the walk, nigga, you know what I mean? You know, it's called the two-step right here, you know what I mean? Walk, my nigga, so, you know, so the honeys can see you from a mile away, my nigga. Feel yourself, let it flow. You can even grab your nuts with it, you know what I'm saying? Grab your nuts with it, you know what I'm saying? How you feeling on that? You feeling comfortable? Let's practice that again, my nigga. 1, 2-step walk. 1, 2-step walk, my nigga. 1, 2-step walk. Yeah. You a little bouncy. I see you a little bouncy like the West Coast Cali niggas and shit, you know? You wanna be West Coast up in this motherfucker? Now we East Coast, nigga. New York. Let's do this. Let's go, yeah, baby. Yeah, G, I like the way you grab your nuts, G. I like you grab your nuts, man. Show them your manhood, you know what I'm saying? Grab that manhood, you know what I mean? Feel your manhood and shit. Even the honeys, when they see you grabbing your nuts, they won't say, this nigga, damn, this nigga got a fucking package, man. This nigga got something there, you know? Why is he grabbing it? Why is he walking like that? You know what I'm saying? They might think you have a gun or something, 9mm pistol up in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? But I'm feeling you, my nigga. I'm feeling you, man. You know, you can grab him with 2 hands even, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of weird though, but you know, we can work with it and shit, you know, we can make a new trend here, you know. So what they say, you know, make a new trend.
Hey, angazingenze njalo lo mmelekana.
Wenze njengoba nakithi wamosha. Nakithi abafana bahamba bayeka insimi amahlathi akhula agcwala izinja.
Usemphendule walahla namasiko akasayina sekhaya. Usekhuluma isilungu esikhulu udebhisa amabhulu. Ingakho ngizonda kangaka nje.
Man.
Hey, what's up,
Man. What's up, MC Thugger?
Oh, good.
Are you chilling, Thugger?
Man, just
I'm
chilling.
good.
I'm gonna lay back, man.
I see you smiling. I see a beautiful lady. That's my sister right here, Mac.
Oh, for real,
Sandra.
Oh, hi, Sandra. How you
Sandra,
doing, man?
Mac.
I. Where the sweet cakes from, man?
Sweet cakes, man. Don't be stepping on no game of my sister, spinning some game of my sister. You better watch yourself,
I
nigga.
ain't spinning up no game. I'm just introducing myself.
Introducing your goddamn self. Anyway, so this is my sister, Mac, Sandra. I'm gonna be going for a few, you know what I mean? Gotta head back to the US, you know what I mean? Handle some business over there, you know what I mean? The business is calling over there.
Hey, man, what's up?
Anyway,
with my sister, man?
you know, she's feeling all bubbly, you know what I'm
She
saying?
looks high as fuck, man.
Man, why you insulting my sister, saying my sister looking high, man? What's wrong
I
with
ain't
you, man?
insulting you,
Where your
man.
manners at?
I'm just hanging out the way I'm looking at it like that, man.
Anyway, let's squash all that high nonsense.
Man.
Mac, this is goodbye, my brother. I'm proud of you. You're officially a nigga. I got a 2 o'clock flight to catch right now. Just check in a few weeks, huh?
Alright.
Sandra, my sister, snap out of it, baby girl. I'm outie. Check you later. Be safe. Alright? Goodbye. Love you, sis. Peace.
from over in Jamaica, man?
Kingston.
Oh,
Ever heard of
Kingston.
Kingston?
No, man. I know the guy of Kingston, man.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
And where you from?
I'm over at Yankees over in New York.
For real?
Yeah, man. And it's like 15, 20 minutes drive over to Manhattan.
For real?
Yeah, man. I get you, man. Yeah, I feel you.
Ay, Makatin. Ay, man, naman nga tayo into siya fana. Umfana ka Makatin. Awien, Siso.
Hold on, man. You looking for trouble, son? Macatini? You're disrespecting me, man. Just come up in the hood, man. I'm busy out with my babe dudes. And you come and call me Spushisho Macatini?
Oh, mama sana na yung kulubing sana. Ela, usukhuluma isingisi manje.
If you want to get your ass whooped, man, don't come up and busy calling me Spushisho what Macatini, yippity yapping about that shit, man. I don't know you, you don't know me, man. So just let it be down a list just like that, son.
Ngane kamfowethu uyayihlonipha kakhulu ile khaya. Yayilandela inkomo ilusa inkomo, ifulela. Ibheka wonke nje umuzi lapha ekhaya. Umfowethu wayeqhenya kabi ngale ngane. Yathi mayifika la igoli, yalahla usiko, yathathwa huye lo mmelekana, wayengisa yonke lempedo. Yaze yashintsha nesibongo imbala. Leli melekana ke aligcinanga lapho ngokuguqula lo mfana. Lagcina selimtholele nomfazi oyena ummelekana naye. Mase ngizothiwa sekwathola nengane. Bangane siyazi ukuthi inhloboni.
I heard him say, Mama, take this badge off of me. Yeah, I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see.
Come in, y'all.
Hello, baby. How are you, baby?
Fine. Hi, baby.
So,
I'm going to school. Bye.
hey, yo, girl. Don't forget what Daddy told you, yeah? We are the McCarthy family, not the Macatini. If anybody calls you Macatini, you better tell Daddy, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Give Mommy some love. Enjoy your day at school, okay?
Igoli leli ngathi selimshayile. Ngoba phela kuthiwa wayesefundiswa nesibhakela ukuthi ashaya abantu ukuze athole imali. Manje usejikelwe yibo bonke abangani bakhe. Ngisho na umakoti wakhe lo ummelekana loyo useyamjikela manje.
What's wrong, nigga? Have you got a problem? Why are you shaking?
I ain't shaking, baby. It's part of my morning exercise.
Damn, what kind of exercise is that? Would you like some breakfast? What's wrong, nigga? Have you wet your pants? So what you doing today, boo?
I'm gonna hit the streets hard tonight, man. I'm gonna be on the grind, yo.
You better hustle, nigga. You know Johnson coming in for your money tomorrow.
Don't worry about Johnson.
I need that dough, yo. I need that dough.
Don't worry about no dough. I'm gonna be on the grind, baby. I'm gonna be on the grind.
M's fees need to be paid as well, hey?
You know why I'm here, Mr. McCarthy. Where's my money?
Mr. Mobane,
What?
yo, my dad is coming straight back from the U.S. And he's gonna be coming back with lots of dollars, so can I please just pay you, man? I'm gonna have lots of money.
Don't tell me about your dad and your dollars. Get out of my car.
Please, man. Please just give us a due date, or just please just let us stay over, man.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
impilo yakhe seyihlazo nje. Usedlala amadayisi, uthengisa isiqatha, uthengisa ama-drugs.
Eric, give me something, deal with fast move. Do it, quick, yeah. There. Next will be next.
Rondo.
Pass the dizzle, my nizzle. I see you. So good. Yo.
Gentlemen, this is my card, man.
Hold on. Whoa. 16 and out.
Nah,
Double, triple.
no, just wait over the 6 months.
I'm playing. It's my turn. It's me up in here, my nizzle for sizzle, my nizzle for the dizzle.
Fucking McCarthy. Funanda, zaleta ngisakufunda.
Hold on, man. I told Mr. McBain I don't want to fight no more, man. You guys don't want to give me no money, man. So I'm on the grind right now, making my own money. I'll vex myself with cash, man.
I own you. Yes. Everything onayo. Yes. Tomele uyenze wena ukulwa nje kuphela for mina. Azokutshela ikakho ngitshela yona, yes.
But I ain't fighting, man. I told Mr. McBain I ain't gonna fight, man. Y'all niggas don't wanna vex me with no money. So I'll vex myself, yo. I ain't got money to pay rent, man. I gotta make that money to pay the rent, man. If you know what I'm saying, man.
As in Perala, know what I'm saying, I'm a sim. This is the last money you see. It's either you shape in or you shape out. Yes.
Man.
Motherfucker.
You ain't
Nigga.
got to do that, man.
What's that? You taking coke?
No,
You taking
man.
coke? What's this? What is this? You a junkie now? Is that what you've been doing with my money? Smoking it up your nose?
I ain't no junkie. What are you talking about?
What
now,
you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? What you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? Is that what you did with Miss Johnson's money?
Hey, man. I got ran check the woman's
You lied to me! You lied to me! When did you start taking this shit?
What shit?
What's this, nigga? What's this?
It's just money.
You making me a fool now? I'm the fool now? What's wrong with you? You know what you're doing to your career? Now why did you tell me you were Zulu?
Zulu?
Why you lying?
Hey, man. I ain't no Zulu.
Why did you lie to me? I heard you from Natal.
Natal?
Yes?
What's Natal?
KwaZulu. I heard you, Zulu.
Shaka Zulu. I heard about Shaka Zulu.
Don't lie to me. You ain't junkie, nigga.
I ain't no junkie.
Why would you lie about where you're from?
Hey, man. I ain't no Zulu. I ain't no Makatini. I'm a Kathy, man.
Oh, Zulu. Get up and go back. Look at you.
Come and tell me about
Yeah,
Shaka
I heard you as Zulu. I heard you as Zulu.
Yeah, man. Zulu, Shaka Zulu. I heard about Shaka Zulu, man.
Look at how high you are.
About Shaka Zulu. Huh?
Get up and go and have a bath. Come, we need to go and see stars. Come.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm sorry, man. Oh, baby. I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry, man. It's true, man. I am from KwaZulu-Natal, man. But you know how it is, man. You can't just end shit like this, man. After all that we've been through, having Emily around. Oh, come on, dude.
To you. You have to go live with your grandparents in Natal. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm sorry. You can't live in this place. You can't live here. This place is terrible for kids.
Grow up in this place like this, man.
Please, as soon as we get stuff together, we'll come get you. Please, my baby, please understand. Please understand. I promise to come and fetch you as soon as we get things together. Please, baby.
Come on, baby. It's not gonna be for long, man. It's just gonna be for a short period of time.
Please, baby, you can't live in this hellhole. I don't wanna go to Danny. What am I gonna do?
Stop crying, no?
I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. Daddy. How? Sawa na wema. Hingga spesies apa? Agasa kulisanga. Sawa na baby. Muka kwa kasla. Muka kwa kasla sama sama muka. How? Pati na yun na siya nga. Nga chupati na dyan. Kapag nangkul.
Akasazi sizulu.
Angizwa?
Akasazi.
Ungangitsheli lento. Sawa na ngani
America. Useso. Sasekusentayo nje kusa nje. Simsesikolweni. Fanele ukuthi uthiyana wena amfundise isizulu. Inkinga phela le. Akazi lutho lo muntu. Sengisi kuphela. Cha, kwaphela.
Isingesi nje kuphela.
Hayi, sosokola lapha.
Hayi kusho ukuthi sizosokola ngcono nje sivike ekuseni nje simbambisi.
Kusa nje kuseni.
Yes.
Simsesikolweni. Yabona ukhathele lo mntwana. Afuna umlungisela lali. Kepha hayi sinenkinga la. Uyabona la uyofuna sifundise ngempela. Noma simsale esikolweni. Hayi soqala phansi sifundise.
I need a toilet. Kuyanetha ngaphandle ke kuzophuma uye toilet. I don't understand your language. You just need a proper toilet. Angitshayisa nevulenetha ngaphandle. Senza konke khona lana. Angeke uzuphume nje bakuletha kanje sis. I must put in the bucket. I will never do that. That's not healthy. Hey, nihlola yani. Lana sikhuluma isiZulu mntanami siyazwana. Lana senzela konke ebhakethini. Angithi siyazwana nene yami. Siyakhama ilakana. How? Where am I? I didn't even get the same Scotland. I'm not going to a bloody Zulu school. I don't know Zulu. Where Baba?
Sorry. Vuka wena. Vuka.
I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to Asambe esikolweni. No. Asambe esikolweni. No. I don't understand Zulu. What do you expect me to say? Huh? Angaze ngibona into nje asambe esikolweni. Get out! Baba.
Sorry.
Asambe esikolweni.
Vuka bo.
I'm not Zulu. I'm English. I only speak English. You never want me to speak Zulu. Never. Kuzafanele ukuthi ufundise isiZulu. La sifundise isiZulu. Asambe esikolweni. Asambe esikolweni. Uyabona? Usola wami la ngikaze ngibone ukuthi asambe esikolweni ngani? Asambe. Sukuma njengamanje asambe esikolweni. No. Kula siyakhona. No. Sihamba manje esikolweni. Mama never wanted to go to school. My mommy never. Never. You know my mommy. So you better get out. Sihamba esikolweni. Oh, my mom.
Bantwana. Bantwana bam. Ngiyabonga abantwana bababahle manje namhlanje ngolesithathu kangithi.
Yebo
Uvule ukuthi ilanga lani namhlanje?
Sports
Yes, sports day bantwana bami namhlanje khona bazogijima, khona bazojumpa, khona bazokwenza lokho. Ongakwazi ukugijima nje Vuthela ngizamazani?
Ngizamvuthela.
Nijimile?
Yebo sir.
Ukwazi ukujumpa?
Yebo sir.
Ukwazi ukugijima?
Yebo sir.
Ongakwazi ukujumpa ngimezeni?
Vuthuza.
Waza?
Vuthuza.
Babebeza?
Vuthuza.
Hold.
Vuthuza.
Hold.
Vuthuza.
Vuthuza.
Vuthuza. Vuthuza.
esikolweni wena esikolweni
Mama Katini kwenze njani manje?
tishara ngobeza mntanami lo akafuni ukuze esikolweni
Hawu bantu yini mntanami wafuna esikolweni? Fanele ufunde sithi mina isikole sinalutho sisezwe.
Save your breath. I don't understand Zulu.
Hayi mhlawulile.
Ngobeza.
Hawu kanti baba Katini. Kathi job ingane idayazi sizulu. Ibuyaphi kai?
hayi nomzana ngobeza umntanami lo uEmily Makathini.
He's lying. My name is Emily McCarthy, not Makatini. You people like messing up other people's surnames.
Ngobeza, ungathini. Sesithulile nje ngoba ngumntana wethu. Ngibe ngumntana omunye umuntu, ngimbulala ngiyakutshela.
Bantwana bami, ngicela nidlale lapha yena. Ngizonibiza futhi.
Guys, stop wasting time. Take me back to my mom and dad.
hayi sokwanele manje le ngane le sebiza abantu abadala ngoba guys
Baba Katini. Yazini ngiyabathanda abantwana kakhulu. Kodwa lo baba akanayo futhi ukuba ne-uniform. Akungqoneni ngibuyisele bazali bakhe baba.
Umntana buzeleni la.
mama kumele simbuyisela kuNkulunkulu sibuyisele lo mntwana akusalungi
Hayi nami ngibona kanjalo. Hawu siyabonga weNgobeza.
sibongele ngobeza
Nisalungi kahle.
Nambe kahle bazali. Bona bantu ninjani na?
Hawu nathi siyaphila.
Abana yebo. Cha. Ngizwile baba Katini ucela ukungibona baba. Ninjani sisi?
ngiyabonga amadoda ngobeza ngoba ubonile ukufika kwethu esikolweni lapha ingane iyahluleka yazi isizulu kodwa ngolapho usizo impela bengicela ukuthi sibambisane mina nogogo wakhe sibambisane nawe kodwa uma sinceda wena hawu ngajabula kakhulu uyazi ingane ekukhulisa abazali bayo le emadolobheni singazikuphi phesheya kuphi ayisazi isizulu kodwa ngolapho usizo mina nogogo wakhe sizozama sibambisane nawe sithembe wena
Cha. Baba Katini ngikhululeka baba. Umntanakho umntanami. Mara sezandleni zami, sezandleni ezifudumele. Kanti-ke nasesikoleni baba. Awungempela ngempela uzofunda baba, uzozazi zonke izinto nesizulu lesizulu uzosazi kahle baba. Khululeka.
Sure.
Guys, don't waste my time. Take me back to my mom and dad.
Shut up! Take my daddy. Here, guys, you guys, man. Guys, and don't you guys walk up. Huh? Here, that's what I'm Huh? Speak up, guys, come back, guys. Go back, guys. Hey, guys, man. We are not going to those food is this one. We are not going to get it. Zoro, oh, shut up, man. Go on, man. Go on, man. We are not going to go. We are not. Get to those food is this one. Yes, it's all gone. The pizza, hey. Solo ando. Agas. What is this, man? Agas. Los food, man. Habe. Solo, man.
Cha phela baba ingane lena. Ukukwata ngeke ngize kusize. Into efanele ukuthi siyenze kufuna ukuthi sifundise isiZulu nje kwaphela. Ungakwati ngalendlela baba.
Ngobese. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ufikele ndoda yamadoda. Sengithembe wena. Ngobese. Hambe kahle.
Khululeka.
Hambe kahle
abantu abadala.
Gladness, how do we do this? Don't call it like I'm Zulu.
Gladys Zulu.
Cool. Tatani. Nothing cartel, ma.
Don't cut in your commands.
What's happening now? No, leave me alone. Hey.
Come on.
What's happening? Hey, aren't you gonna help me? This is bullshit. It's too heavy. Come on. Help me. Chicken feet? Is this all what you have, Granny?
Idla mntanami. Phela siyahlupheka la.
Hayi, uzojwayela ngane yami.
Okay, what about electricity? Don't you have electricity?
Awu, singathele phela manje. Sengizokuphendula ngesilungu. What you see is what we have. Habe.
Cha uyahlupha lo mntana yo. Yazi ukuthi sibusise silethele inkinga ngempela la endlini. Sinenkinga phela la endlini ngathi awuboni kahle.
Hey. Yes, busisa. Uyangithola kahle.
futhi njengathi ngambona nje angimazi ukuthi kuphi ngathi angangena nje la endlini angitshela ukuthi manje sizomenza lo mntana makathi kukhuluma isilungu ngale ndlela
uyongithola kahle
Guys, you've been talking and talking and talking. I also want to be part of the conversation.
Well, guys, ugogo nomkhulu. Yes.
Angithi is American. Yes, American phela. Funa ngasibe abo guys isibadala kangaka.
Siso.
Gogo.
Baba.
Baba.
Mama.
Mama.
Puti.
Sisi.
Sisi. Sisi. UBC.
UBC. Isn't it milk?
Yes. Siyafunda kancane. Yes. Siyaphinde futhi. Impuphu.
Impuphu.
Meli. Yes. Ushukela.
Ushukela.
Sugar. Wahlangabez. 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 Umuzi ubaba. Wahlangabez. 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 Umuzi. Umdala wami.
I need your help, man. You need to take my nigga back. We haven't had a place to stay since you kicked us out of the apartment, yo. Man. Come on, Styles. Come on, Styles. Come on, man. You need to take it back, man.
Don't touch me.
Come on, man.
Okay, in one condition. If only angashawa amabhokode, because then ibulawa ama-drugs. Bekuphele kanjani?
Can you fight? Yeah, man. I can obviously fight. Can you fight? Yeah, man. Look at him. You punch him like a shishi, man. Almost a rise, man. Can you do that? Yeah, hell yeah, man. Look at him. You punch him like a shishi.
What's that boy? Next week on the tournament, there's a new fighter, Yabuya Legend. Next week, you know, I need to, ne? I'll look after you, Nyaz, Nyan Pegan, Nyan Kama Shanko, Rangaj. Naban Bam. Next week, we can, she may never fit no too. There's a huge fight. gentlemen, welcome to my joint Kamanam Stadium. Tonight I present contender South Africa, toe to toe, pound to pound. The winner takes home R500,000. Charlie Sandler. Now it's round one. Sizokala manje, please. Kusila simfuni, makokorosh. Pasala banaziwa. Mr. McCarthy, my man. I tell you that if you win fights, I change your life. Yabona manje sikushane kaze phezulu yonke into ngalanga ifro yakho wenze noma yini ayikho into engakho khululeka mfana. This is your joint. Yeah, 30 made inhlale la kune pool. Ayikho into engakho eAmerica yonke into ikhona nami la. DSTV, big screen TV. Yabona amasofa wakho mfana. Yini manje uyakhola uthenga ama big size suit. Yini problem Mr. McCarthy?
Yeah, man. I love the suit, man. And they only have this big size, man. So I love it like this, man.
My American, they also understand. Yeah, no, yonke into right. Right. Uzokuthatha uzwana.
Bafika bekhona lebhuti. Bezobona ingane ngoba phela kwakudala bengayiboni. Ubhuti wayethukuthele kabi. Bayawubambe nje umshini. Ukuthi lo mfana wayese iqoqile imali esenamadlana. Ubhuti wayengafuni ukuzwa lutho.
How are you doing, yo?
How when Kulukulam supposes of the baby house up you unmarried. Salapat Hey! Unkulu, we are Nizwa. What's a wabuya mfana what's a wabuya kaya? Hey, if you are woman never like it, as not the late pools. Can I tell you something? Baba. How shall it?
Awusho mfana wami. Ubuyaphi? Ngiyaboza ukuthi ubuyaphi? Kade wahamba. Yini kodwa mfana wami? Yini ongayithandana nokumina? Ha? Ngakukhulisa ngakwenzela konke. Ukhohliwe usithumela ingane la. Ingane yakho azi isiZulu, ayazi lutho. Amasuku wakhohliwe. Ukhohlwe indlela engikhulise ngayo. Awusho nje mfana wami. Awungicabanga la konke ubaba wangikhulisa. Ngihlubanga ngikhulisana nawe kodwa yini mngani? Yini? Ngisola ngifane ingane ngifake esikolweni. Ayisazi isiZulu. Yini mfana wami?
Sikwenzeni ngempela?
Ha?
Hayi ngitshela ngomntanami sikwenzeni.
Mama into njani mfana wami manje? Angikhulisanga kanje. Ngihlupheka ngizama ngokukhulisa. Ngithanda zakaza konke. Ha? Hayi boma. Kwenze njani? Itshele mfana, mtshele manje.
Sibusisi, njengoba usukela la ukwazi isiZulu, manje usesazi nesizulu.
Ungiqambisa amanga. Ngitshela umakhelwane bonke ukuthi mina yami ingane phesheya. Kanti ulawa doda oyilbo la. La kudliwa khona amadrasi wenziwa zonke izinto fana. Yini kodwa? Ungeno yini ngane yami? Yini kangaka? Hayi bo. Nkosikazi.
Baba.
Sadlala inkulumo. Yini?
Mom, Dad, it's 2010. Y'all guys have to understand that I'm moving along with the time. I want to answer your question now, Dad. You know why I taught my daughter English, man? It's because English is sexy, man. Listen to this. McAtini. Hell no. McCarthy. Hell yeah. McAtini, McCarthy. No, man. They don't just go in some kind of that. You know what I mean, man? McCarthy sounds more nicer than McAtini, yo. If you know what I'm saying, man. You get my groove? Yes. I understand I brought my daughter to come stay with y'all. Things were bad for me, man. But now everything has changed. I'm a rich man now. I got money. Serious money. Look at this place, yo. My moms and dad can't live in this place like this. Too much cockroaches. Too much roaches. Damn, man, this place don't smell nice, yo. You guys must be proud that your son is a rich man. Look at my woman, yo. She the best thing you can get in town, yo. Y'all actually think she'll go out with the Nikki Campook? Hell no. She gonna go out with the serious money maker. And that be me. Right, B? Yeah. Mom, there's a time. I'm a boxer now. I'm making serious money. You guys must be proud that your son is a rich man.
Uyazini. Konke lokho okukhulumayo. Amuna uzongiphetela mina la. Anganzaba nemali yakho. Uzongiphendula umlungu manje. Dala wami othiyela. Uzophetela mina. Ubrekela mina ngemali yakho. Ukukhulisile. Into zenzayo singazithandi lekhaya noma wakho. Yini? Imali yenzalo. Inhlonipho ifaqala kunemali man. Imali yakwenzele lutho mina. Uzokwazi lokho kwenzayo. Kodwa kusala ngoyihlo nonyoko ukhona. IsiZulu sakukhulisa. UngumZulu. Lesingisinyana sibana Guy Fox, Makai, wabani wa Guy Fox la. Ushintsha kanjani isibongo sami? uMakhathini uthi uMakhathi ukuthatha aphi lo ngithi ukuthatha aphi na ugamla ungasithenga le madlana yakho sishiya amasiko ngeke sikwenze lokho okusalayo thatha le khanjana lakho uphuma uphele la hamba.
You see what Zulu does to you now, Dad? You're becoming all violent. Please, just chill, man, chill.
Uchill one. Ngithi phuma hambe la. Chill. Phuma hambe man. Hamba. Thank God you're not hambe. Phuma. Hamba.
Let's go, B.
Uyangena kuthini? Hamba.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm in Dawo.
Hambani.
Hey, man, what you do to my daughter, yo? You brainwashed my daughter, man. I'm going to the bloody cops, man. Hey, Early, what's going on to you, man? You want to live in a bloody shack? Haven't you had enough for those bed bugs busy bugging you up, yo?
Aye.
Uemeli lona umzukulu kabhuti. Wanginceda kakhulu ukuthi abazali bakhe bamthumele khona lebantu emakhaya. Awubheke nje manje useyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu usenenhlonipho njengezingane zasemakhaya. Ukube wayekhulele edolobheni wayoba unoyilo nje into engenasiko awanoma yilulwane ilulwane phela awanoma inyoni noma ikhondwane. Manje kumntwana usenesintu nje qobo uzokhula impela nje mhlawumbe uzegcina ethole ndomendo.
Siyabonga. Ufuna aphile ngama take away.
Awuzwa ke?
Kanti manje uyazi ukuthi uyadla ummbili.
Usekwazi nokulima. Uyakwafona lapha emasimini. Usekwazi nokuyathengisa inkomo yakhe namanzi le phansi emfuleni.
Awusiyabonga.
Njengoba nazi ukuthi ngifike la ngiyisidididi. Namhlanje ngibonga nina, uthishele, umkhulu wami, ugogo wami. Ngiyabonga ukuthi bakhonile ukungifundisa isiZulu. Ngaqhubekela phambili. Ngiyathemba nani kunjalo, niyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu, niwazi amasiko wenu. Ngoba umuntu ongalazi isiko lakubo akusumuntu. And ngeke azokhona ukuphumelela emhlabeni. Ngiyabonga.
Hayi, zamphetela-ke izinto umfana. Ummelikana wakhe lo wamshiya waphindela phesheya noma kuphi-ke la wayeqhamuka khona. Nonkosikazi lwakhe lo wamshiya naye. Ikhanda kwangathi selisangena. Wacabanga khona phela ukuthi ayikho enye indlela. Wavele waphindela kuyo ubhuti khona le emakhaya. Kodwa wayengasasile ngasekhaya.
Usunje, usubuyile. Ushaya umhlaba. Hawu, mntanami. Wathi ukuhlanya nje. Kade kukuguza. Shaya umhlaba, Usubuyile kuyihlo manje. Usuyangazi manje ukuthi kumakhathini. Kuphela ukubhema insango le yakho. Awubheke nje unjalo. Yi ufaka ikhethi kwenze njani ngubhutsisi? Osisibhuti uyini mthetho wakho? Usisibotho. Ubothokile. Uzobothokela la kimi manje. Ziphi imali zakho? Uyela kulaba odlala imali man. Hayibo. Uhlangana kumina man. Uloyo yimi man. Uloyo umhlaba loyo man. Ubhedala la kimi. Ha, nomhlalo wami. Uzohlangana kimi. Loyo yimi mina. Awubheka unjani?
Uphi umntana wami? Uphi? Ngimkhumbulile.
Akekho. Wambe nonyoko bayisontweni.
Hayi baba. Ungathukana. Ungathukana ngothi nyoko. Ungona uthi mother.
Hey! Ukushaya umhlaba mntanami. Hey! Ngele ndlela yogeza. Ngele ndlela yogeza.
Awufuni le.
Hamba.
Ngiyakuzwa baba. Kade ukhuluma usitshela yonke le ntsama eyenziwe kulomlisi. Esifuna ukwazi nje thina sikuzelela igoli ngoba shiya amasimi neinkomo ekhaya. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi lomlisi simtholaphi.
Hawu, iphuzu lelo ndodana. Mina kudala ngilandela lomlisi. Bekulo nginyonyoba nje emva kwakhe. Sengiyazi nala kahlala khona. Ngizohamba ngiyomkhombisa. Kodwa kuzofanele sicathame, sangasiboni.
Igama leli.
Ngizomkhombisa impela mina. Kulungile-ke madoda. Mina ngingasho nje ukuthi sihamba nini, mina ngizonithatha ngiyonibeka la hlala khona.
Usathi soyanini baba? Kumele simfune manje ngoba asizanga nento zokushintsha. Siphethe nje ureturn wethikithi lesitimela. Asinamali. Into esiyizele la ukuthola nomlisi womelika. Osimoshele ingane nabafowethu nodadewethu.
Wena nje before ungakempa usidla ibiscuit the whole bloody night. Anzangi kisa na tawel man football.
Sengizoboshwa-ke manje.
Unohambe uTixi. Awushile.
Alungile ngamane ngishiye mina. Hawu, naze.
Yabona into yini ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ubhili usephethweni kuphela. Amkhanja iphansi. Ubhili awuqale ephethweni. Nasengubeni khona.
Njengwayo.
It is available with your favorite publication every payday Friday. What's up, Friday?